Alawiye King, distinguished members of the National Assembly, serving and former, Your Excellency Aminu, the Governor of Adamawa State, and other governors here represented, Your Excellency Chief Barrister Nyesom Wike, CON, GSSRS, former Governor of Rivers State, and Honorable Minister of Federal Capital Territory, and other members of Federal Executive Council, serving and former. Your Excellency Aminu Bello Masari, CFR, former Speaker, Federal House of Representatives, former Governor of Katsina State, and Chairman, Board of Trustees, Tertiary Education Trust Fund. All monarchs and elder statesmen here present, heads of federal commissions and boards, all special assistants to President and all other federal officials here today, the Chancellor, University of Port Harcourt, His Eminence General Muhammadu Ilia Bashar, CFR, Emir of Gwandu, here represented, the Secretary to the Rivers State Government and all state functionaries here present, the Pro-Chancellor, University of Port Harcourt, Senator Mao Habwa, and all other distinguished Pro-Chancellors here present. The Vice Chancellor, University of Port Harcourt, and all Vice Chancellors here present. Principal officers, alumni, and all other members of the University of Port Harcourt community, all awardees here today, distinguished invited guests, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. It is with an immense honor and profound appreciation that I join the great people of Rivers State and the University of Port Harcourt community on this historic occasion of the celebration of the 50th anniversary of this esteemed institution. Today, we gather to mark 5 decades of academic distinction, research innovation, national service, and global relevance. This moment is especially significant for Rivers State, as it signifies both a celebration of legacy and a renewal of vision. Let me begin by congratulating the entire university, the Pro-Chancellor, the Governing Council, the Senate, the staff, students, and alumni on these great achievements, specifically the celebration of your Golden Jubilee and the 35th Convocation ceremony, as well as the successful commissioning of this iconic arena, which I had the privilege of performing. 50 years is a major milestone in the life of any institution. In that time, the University of Port Harcourt has grown from modest beginnings to become one of Nigeria's most respected citadels of learning, producing leaders, thinkers, scientists, professionals, and patriots who continue to shape the destiny of our nation. On behalf of the government and people of Rivers State, I extend heartfelt gratitude to His Excellency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Mr. President's visionary leadership, commitment to national rebirth, and far-reaching developmental strides continue to inspire confidence across the country. His unwavering support for the education sector and for our efforts in Rivers State under the current emergency administration has created the enabling environment for projects such as this to flourish. As administrator of Rivers State, I reaffirm the unwavering commitment of our government to education as the cornerstone of sustainable development. We will continue to support learning institutions from the foundational to the tertiary level to ensure that no child is left behind and that our universities remain globally competitive. We also acknowledge with deep appreciation the foundational vision and sustained efforts of successive administrations, and especially the contribution of His Excellency, Chief Barrister Nyesom Wike, CON, former Governor of Rivers State and current Honorable Minister of Federal Capital Territory. The conception and execution of this grand arena under his stewardship reflect his enduring legacy in infrastructure and educational development. The ultramodern Convocation Arena, now proudly commissioned, is a testament to what is possible when vision aligns with commitment. Your Excellency, we honor your foresight. This arena, bold in design and rich in purpose, is not simply a venue for convocations. It is a sanctuary where dreams are validated, where academic journeys culminate in triumph, and where future leaders will be publicly honored. It will host commencements, policy dialogues, innovation exhibitions, and ceremonies that shape the character and capacity of generations to come. And how fitting that it is being inaugurated during the 50th anniversary celebration and 35th convocation ceremony, a golden jubilee that invites us to reflect on the past, celebrate the present, and commit to an even greater future. The commissioning of this structure during this milestone year is symbolic. It represents continuity, a bridge between legacy of excellence and the promise of tomorrow. As part of the convocation celebration, I wish to extend warm congratulations to all recipients of the awards of first degrees, postgraduate diplomas, master's degrees, and Doctor of Philosophy degrees. Your resilience, intellectual rigor, and commitment to scholarship have distinguished you in your respective fields. You have earned your place among the finest minds, and I urge you to use your knowledge for the betterment of the society. To the honorary degree awardees, Her Excellency Senator Oluremi Tinubu, our First Lady of Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Chief Barrister Nyesom Wike, CON, Honorable Minister of FCT, His Excellency Ahmadu Umaru Fentere, Executive Governor of Adamawa State, and His Excellency Right Honorable Aminu Bello Masari, former Speaker, House of Representatives. I offer not only congratulations, but also deep admiration. You have been carefully selected for your exceptional contributions to society, whether in public service, academia, industry, leadership, or philanthropy. Your lives are powerful examples of what it means to serve with excellence and integrity. Through your achievements, you have enriched the national fabric and inspired a generation. It is only fitting that the University of Port Harcourt honors you today, and we join the university in celebrating your legacy. The University of Port Harcourt stands as a beacon in the Niger Delta and beyond. It must be nurtured, strengthened, and elevated through sustained investment, institutional reforms, and meaningful collaboration. As a government, we will play our part. To the faculty and staff of the university, I urge you to continue to ignite minds. To the students, this is your arena. Fill it with purpose, with passion, and with pride. To the alumni, remain worthy ambassadors of your alma mater. And to the leadership of this great institution, I salute your resilience, your courage, and your vision. And let the 50th anniversary of the University of Port Harcourt mark the beginning of a new era of innovation, inclusion, and excellence. And to the awardees, I say congratulations once again. Permit me to end with the immortal words of Nelson Mandela. I quote, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." Today, we sharpen that weapon. Today, we expand its reach. And today, we declare our unwavering commitment to a future where learning, leadership, and legacy converge. God bless the University of Port Harcourt. God bless Rivers State. And God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
That was the administration.